Hola bonitas, and welcome back to my channel. So I know you guys see a hot mess back here, but I wasn't gonna film this because I feel like I get a lot more stuff done when I'm not filming. But you know what, let's deep clean this house together. If your house needs some deep cleaning, get to it, girl. Today we're just gonna do here the living room. We need to deep clean the kitchen too, but girl, it's already 2:30. I'm already tired. I've been cleaning the bathroom, so we're not gonna do that today, but that'll be part 2. So take this as part 1 of deep cleaning my house with me. There's so much cleaning to do, so if you love these cleaning and organization videos, stay tuned because I've got so many coming for you. Y aquí está la Bendy. It's almost time for her nap time, so I need to hurry up and use the vacuum where I need to use it so that I can put her to sleep. And let me show you what I've done so far. I literally just started doing this whole moving the couches, so okay, so some of these cojines were dirty because Bonita decided to like choose something on there and it los manchó. So I threw some of them in the washer for a quick wash. I already sacudir the couches right here. So once these are out, we're gonna put them on. You have to put them on when they're still a little damp, so it's not so hard to put them back on. But I'm gonna go ahead and like vacuum and clean in there and dust these off really quick. So let's do that together. Okay, Juanita, lo primero es lo primero. We have to dust everything off. I feel like first we gotta take all the dust off of everywhere because it's gonna fall to the ground, and then we're gonna go ahead and sweep or vacuum to get a clean slate, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, so deep cleaning was definitely in my plans, but the main reason why I decided to do it this day is because the night prior, there was a big spider that came in from the outside and we didn't know where it went. I think Peter killed it, but just to make sure, I was gonna dust everything off, vacuum and mop because my baby plays in that playpen and I did not want any surprises in the future or any bug bites on her. Oh my god, girls, I hate putting on the covers back on the cushions, but I love having clean couches. Now, if your man is around, have him help you. You'll see Peter come in just a second. We're gonna exchange babies and he's gonna get to putting on these covers because that's the one thing I hate. It's so time consuming and it takes a lot of strength. So get your man to do it, girl. Bonita, this is your sign to tell your man to help you out with this deep clean because moving around couches, moving around rugs is not an easy task, and by this time I was already tired. I was able to disassemble the couches, but I would have not been able to put them back together. So shout out to my honey for helping me. So let yours know, or actually have him watch this video so he can get motivated to help you.
But be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it
Okay, ladies, so my carpet is all clean. My couches look super clean now, even up close. And I miss my sala looking like this, but we have to deal with this. So let's put that back where it goes and let's continue.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Okay, so here you see me organizing these mats that I have for Angelique. This was very small, so Peter ended up ordering 2 sets of some pretty colorful ones. Well, they're actually pink, purple, and beige, and it fit the whole playpen because she did fall one time and she hurt herself, so we did not want that to happen again. I have linked it in my Amazon favorites, so the link will be down in the description box.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others.
So as you can see, it's a whole new day. I'm wearing a whole new outfit. We just came back from brunch, so we're gonna get back to finish cleaning, decluttering 100%. We just removed the elliptical, put it outside, so it's a bit messy and dusty right here, so hay que aspirar y trapear.
Set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that...
Okay, bonitas, so that is it for today. I hope you guys got motivated with today's deep clean of my living room area. I'm very happy of how this area looks without the elliptical. So if you guys feel like you guys need to change or remove or add something to your living room, do that. It'll give the space a whole different look. I'm obsessed with like how empty it looks here now. So don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. We're almost to 1K, so definitely appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment what room are you deep cleaning.